If you believe in ghosts, you're not alone. According to a YouGov study in 2021, comparatively, 43% of Americans believe demons exist. 18% of adult Americans claim they've seen or been near a ghost, according to a 2009 Pew Research Center survey. 29% claim they have been touched by someone who died. A belief in ghosts is certainly not new. Folklore about ghosts dates back thousands of years and is present in relics of ancient Mesopotamian and ancient Egyptian culture. What ghosts really are? Are they material? Or invisible? Are they human souls? Or some kind of energy? Despite decades of testing, there is no scientific proof of the existence of ghosts. Part of that is because no one can agree on what a ghost is, exactly. The methods that ghost hunters use on TV, such as capturing ambient noises or electric voice phenomena, have often been described as pseudoscience. Over the past few centuries, scientists have suggested many different explanations for why so many people believe they have seen ghosts. Today I'm going to talk about 5 of them. 1. Electromagnetic field. Ghost hunters use a tool called an electromagnetic field meter to detect ghosts. Normally, these tools are used to identify problems with power lines, electrical wiring, and electric appliances. Electromagnetic fields are everywhere, in various forms. Some scientists say that our perceptions of ghosts may have something to do with electromagnetic fields. In the 1980s, neuroscientist Michael Persinger hypothesized that excessive magnetic stimulation of the brain led to out-of-body experiences. According to Nature.com news, Persinger had people wear helmets that targeted their temporal lobes with weak magnetic fields, and found that 80% of people felt an unexplained presence in the room. 2. Infrasound. Infrasound, sometimes referred to as low-status sound, describes sound waves with a frequency below the lower limit of human audibility. In 1998 scientific paper, engineer Vic Tandy investigated his own experiences in a supposedly haunted lab. While working there, he and others experienced feelings of distress and depression. Cold shivers, heard sounds seeming to come from unexpected places, and Tandy even saw an apparition of a figure. Investigating, Tandy found that he and his colleagues were sharing their lab with a low-frequency standing wave caused by a new fan in the extraction system. Tandy concluded, a 19 Hz standing air wave may under certain conditions create sensory phenomena suggestive of a ghost. Other scientists have conducted similar experiments, with similar conclusions. In one study, psychologist Richard Wiseman arranged for people to attend 2 concerts, one that featured infrasound, and one that didn't. 22% of audience members in the infrasound concert reported feeling uneasy or sorrowful, getting chills down the spine or nervous feelings of revulsion or fear. 3. Carbon monoxide poisoning. In a popular TED Talk, journalist Carrie Poppy tells the story of being haunted. She felt like she was being watched, felt a pressure on her chest, heard whooshing sounds, and cried every night. Then, she posted about her experience on a forum for ghost skeptics, who told her it sounded like she had carbon monoxide poisoning. She called the gas company. They were right. And Poppy isn't alone. Several other haunted houses have been discovered to be the site of a carbon monoxide leak. 4. Sleep paralysis. This is very common that between 8% and 50% of people experience sleep paralysis at some point in their life. Some scientists say ghosts are likely the result of sleep paralysis. This occurs when there's a disconnect between the body and mind when you're going into or out of REM sleep. The result is a feeling of paralysis and waking dreams, often nightmares. During a sleep paralysis episode, you're aware of your surroundings but cannot move or speak. But you can still move your eyes and breathe. Many people hear or see things that aren't there, making episodes even more frightening. The condition has many causes, including narcolepsy, shift work, sleep deprivation, and obstructive sleep apnea. 5. Imagination. If you're hearing about a ghost from a young kid, scientists say it's likely just their imagination. Children are hardwired to learn through imaginative and pretend play, and therefore they can slip between reality and fantasy much more easily than adults. While an adult might dismiss something they see quickly out of the corner of their eye as nothing or have a reality-based explanation, children might insist they saw a ghost or a fairy or some other creature. And that's it. But remember though, there are many more cases out there in which science didn't have answers. Let's talk about that in another video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.